how much did it cost. The total is
problem. Basically just the way the engine management light.
We're going to take a nice and easy drive all the MGT Motorsport down the B lanes. Should be nice and good. Early morning, it's probably around about 7:30 in the morning, but look at these roads, nice. So I just want to also say that may the Almighty protect each and every one of you and bless each and every one of you, and just enjoy the weather and just go for nice drives, get your car prepared, get your car ready. Oh wow, the baffle is jumping around. Such a nice day today. Praise be to the Almighty. Alhamdulillah. Hopefully after the Cambelt change and a few engine light checkups and road mapping with Garth, we can actually like practice putting the foot down on the car, doing some full boost sessions on the highway, and just get prepared really. Is that a Supra? One sick RS this is.
Basically just the way the engine management light was configured, that was all.
Oh, wow.
Just had to reconfigure it, that was it. Thank you very much.
Okay guys, we are back. We've made it back from MGT Motorsport. So as you've seen previously, obviously the past probably like the year since we got the car mapped, there was an engine light. That's the first thing that got sorted out with Garth at MGT Motorsport. There's an engine light which I always scared to put my foot down on the car because I thought it was going to blow the engine up. Simple as engine light. There's going to be some sort of a knock sensor, which means, oh no, don't push it, you're going to blow up the car. Garth done a few checks and he got rid of the engine light. It's all sorted out, so the car can go on full boost right now. I can do whatever it wanted. But and then before all that, we listened to everybody, we took everybody's advice, and we went with the instinct, and we went with what's getting the Cambelt changed. So that has been done. We've got the old Cambelt, and this is what 10-year-old Cambelt looks like. You know, the craziest thing is this looks absolutely mint. It looks like it's a new belt. It's never been used. There's no signs of wear and tear, but it is a gritty belt that was on there previously for the last 10 years, and you know, there's just no signs of wear and tear. You can see it right now. It just looks perfectly fine in every way. But as people said, it's 10 years old. It's about to go. So we've also had these two changes as well, the two ancillary belts, the power steering belt and the alternator belt. So these two got changed as well. So going back to the thing, so we went for the full shebang. We got a new water pump, which you can see right there. right there. So new water pump. It's had all the new brand new belt, the Mark MGT Motorsport recommended. Don't go for the fancy HKS belt, the full kit, the tensioners and everything. Just go for the genuine Nissan parts. So that's exactly what's been fitted. The genuine Nissan belt, the genuine Nissan tensioners, the idlers, and the whole shebang of the pure OEM Nissan genuine stuff. So that's what's been changed, and that's what he recommended is the best for this car. And every other Nissan RB engine, he just recommended the best thing to use is Nissan OEM product. So you can see the new auxiliary belts, alternator power steering belts. It looks pretty colourful, to be honest. But let's go around to how much it costs. That's the whole point why we chose the title. 10-year belt and how much did it cost. So let's get straight to the point. Got it all here, but I'll get a form of what it cost like. So how much did it cost? The total is £792.19. Bang! Yes, £792. Let's just round it up to £800. So that's how much it cost to get the full whack water pump, cam belt, tensioners, idlers, power steering belt, ancillary belts, you name it. That's how much it cost. So but obviously that's the total with VAT. Without VAT, the total net would have been £660.16. So the VAT alone was £132, which is something which I wouldn't even think of. VAT would be put into place, but it's there, and that's how much it would be moving forward. So just to break it all down, the timing belt, which is the RB genuine Nissan, that was £80. The water pump RB engine Nissan product is £94.27. The tension and pulley from R33 GTR, £67.23. Idler pulley R33 GTR, £67.24. Idlers, the tensioners, and a few bolts and wash nuts, that's £20. He also put a fresh antifreeze, which is £3.13, and obviously there's 5 of them out of that, so that's £15.65. Alternator belt, £12, just round to get 1 pence. Power steering belt, £10.67, and the labour is £65 per hour. It took 4.5 hours to do that job, which Mark did, and in total that is £292.50 for the labour alone. So yeah, that's how much it cost. Whether that's worth it, you guys can let me know. But I wanted a specialist Nissan Skyline specialist to do the job. I could have learned and practiced and done the job. I could have took it to a local garage. Yes, it could have been a lot cheaper, could have been half price cheaper, but this is a fully built engine, and I wanted a specialist to do the job, and I couldn't afford to do like a cheap job or get someone to do the job, a local garage, because there's just too much money involved in this engine. I just wanted it to be done at the toppest spec that I can get, and that is MGT Motorsport, a Skyline specialist, and they did it. So it is what it is. If it was a cheaper Skyline, if it was a stock Skyline, or just a normal car, I would have brought the parts myself cheap, and I would have got a local garage to do the job, or even myself to learn and do it myself, and it would have been like what, £300, £400. But I believe I wanted that status. I wanted the receipt that it was done by a specialist Skyline company, a reputable company, and it just a peace of mind, shall I say. So that was it. So yeah, so now like I said, peace of mind, Cambelt's done, engine lights sorted, we've done the alignment, and now we're going to get the accelerator foot pedals sorted, and then we're good to go to do some test runs, and then it's ready for the drag strip. But this is the series of Skyline. So just want to say thank you very much for everybody showing support. May the Almighty put peace and blessings upon each and every one of you, and drop a comment down below what you guys think of what I should do, or any tips, or if you're finding it, what you've been finding in the videos, or anything you want to see in the videos. Let me know in the comments down below, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.